Pandemonium at the Brownstown Market in St. Anne Friday as municipal police removed vendors from illegal vending zones. At least one woman was arrested and several stalls destroyed. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
An effort to clear no vending zones of sellers in Brownstown turned physical. We were told the police were attempting to search this woman, but instead this happened. The woman in the red blouse and blue shorts was later arrested. And it didn't stop there. The police were determined to remove all vendors who were breaking the law. Several stalls were also removed and clothes were seized.
Them come for work, but all them at work, we don't like the work. Them talk to we, them no wait for we move. Them start mash up the stall, them a run with them want to take everything through them pepper spray 3, 4, them just do some foolishness.
The authorities have been trying to restore order in the town for months now. We were told illegal vending is a major contributor to the traffic problems.
We pay last week market fee for the spot where we there. And we have to move this week and we still have to pay tomorrow. The market won't fix. We can't go in the bungalow because it's done dirty and done bad already. So what we fi do?
Councillor for the Brownstown Division in the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Kim Brown, also acknowledged some disquiet.
We need to have dialogue with the police that has been placed here by Superior. We have meetings with the Superior once every month and none of them had this discussion with us. We would never discuss people being pepper sprayed. We would never discuss back to school time. We have people that needs to be still sell their goods and it's being destroyed.
She is calling for a meeting with all the relevant stakeholders.
I am not standing for indiscipline, The front of the market should be a no vending zone. The market street, however, should be for the people. I'm asking for somebody from Area 2, some superintendent, to be in dialogue with the police here and just get this street clear. We need to have one meeting with the municipal corporation and the police and the people to hear how we can resolve this problem.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.